Hello and welcome to the new Power Query tutorial video, and in this video I will show you another transformation technique with which you can basically transform or work with on numeric data. For example, if you have scenarios, let's say where you want to add 1 on each of the values or any number to each of the values, right? You want to add, let's say, 5 to each of these values, or you want to subtract 1 from each of the value, then all of this operation becomes really cumbersome, where you need to know the formula, the M formula, and do that operation like multiplication, division, all of that type of a thing. So I want to show you a simple way as to how you can perform these simplistic operation without even writing any formula. And before that, just a quick information: if you have landed very first time on my channel, then you should know about the dataset that I'm using is present in this dataset folder. So the link for dataset is present in description. Within the dataset, you need to come in Power BI, and the dataset is this one which I'm using, right? And this is another sheet, the Google sheet, where I keep all of my videos. The video title is present here, so I have 280 plus videos right now. That way, searching becomes really difficult in YouTube directly. So that's why I've created this sheet. You can come here, search any of my video. For example, you want to search for DAX. So all the videos related to DAX will be highlighted, and that way you can get the desired output. And using the link which is present in column B, you can jump onto that video. Also, the difficulty level is present, and I'm still populating the topic category. So with that, let me come back to Power Query. So make sure you bookmark this sheet and use it whenever you need it, right? So it is to help you. So you have quantity. Let's say we want to add 1. So what I'll do is I'll select this column, and I have this under the transform menu. I have standard, and in the standard I have add. And as you can see, it's quite simple. I need to add 1. What I do, I basically add 1 in each of this, and the end operation is done, right? Let's say I want to modify that. I felt like no, I don't need to add 1, but I need to add 2. No need. Simply, I click on this gear icon, and now it is added. So that operation becomes really easy. And if you will see, you have addition to add value, you have multiply. Let's say you want to multiply by some other value, 2, 3, 4, 5. For required operation, you can do that. You have subtract, divide, integer divide. You have modulo, which is nothing but the remainder of the division. You have percentage. You want to calculate a percentage, especially in those taxation sort of a scenario, right? Or a growth percentage and stuff like that if you want to apply on that. And you have percent off calculation, which is a percent of whatever value which is present. So it's like 20% of 11 what it will be. So all of that becomes really easy. You simply click over there, specify the value, and it will give you the output. So that is something which I wanted to show you, the standard mathematical operation, how you can easily apply, rather than searching for a column, searching for, let's say, M function or function, which will give you the desired output. Rather than that, you can basically get a use of this inbuilt functionality and get the desired output. So that is something which I wanted to let you know, and hope you will going to use it. If you have any question, let me know, and I'll help you figuring out this your particular scenario if I'm aware of that. So with that, thank you so much, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.